We had a video explaining gold framing and plating, while another video explained rhodium plating. Almost every day, we are asked by our clients what colors of gold are available for gold plating. When our customers first get in touch with us, we will send them a swatch that includes 3 shades of gold, named Y18, Y28, and Y36 respectively. We use these codes simply to facilitate communication between our teams and our customers. Why does gold plating come in different shades? Isn't natural gold only one tone? The color of gold can be changed by alloying. We can achieve different shades of gold by adjusting the proportion of metals, such as copper, silver, and rhodium in the plating solution. For example, when you order 18K plating, the 18K gold content will be fixed in the solution, while the remaining 6K will be a mixture of other metals that determine the shade of gold. Customers usually choose the color of gold based on the target market or the brand preference. Our jewelry experts are always available to provide our customers with expert advice on choosing the right color. It is also possible for brands to create their own signature shades of gold. This depends on the size of the brand and quantity of the order. Feel free to contact our jewelry expert team by leaving a message on our website or on social media in the links below. You may also request a swatch that we will send to you to choose your color. We have more jewelry industry tips and know-how on our YouTube channel, so don't forget to subscribe. We